All right, everybody, so I'm in Colombia. I'm in an older hotel room, and it's given me an opportunity to talk about some of the gear I carry on tour just in case. So this hotel room only has one outlet, and one of the plugs is being used by the television. And this outlet's in a terrible spot. Outlets should always be close to the bed so you can keep your cell phone close and it doesn't drain the battery overnight. But nevertheless, these two outlets are just not going to be enough. I have so much stuff I need to charge up. I've got a computer, phone, camera, drone batteries, I've got external battery packs, GPS, earbuds. I mean, I've just got like a lot. And so what I carry with me is an extension. I carry an extension cord with 4 outlets. In fact, my friend Catherine gave this to me when we toured Malaysia together because she was worried we wouldn't have enough outlets between the two of us. Now this extension cord comes with 3 prongs, and this outlet just has 2, so that's not going to work. And so I also carry with me an adapter, 3-prong to 2-prong, so I'm ready for this situation. So there you go, quick tip on things to carry with you on a bike tour. Thanks for watching. Bye.